When I first started practicing law, the most intimidating thing to me was that people came to me in their most dire time. People were dealing with a horrendous injury. They couldn't work. They didn't know how they were going to pay for their medical expenses. Everything was falling apart and they would turn to me for help. It's very common for a lot of lawyers to feel totally overwhelmed by that. They don't teach you how to deal with that in law school. My dad told me that the way that he approached it was you just have to be a little bit detached from your patient. You can't save everyone's life. You have to look after your own emotional stability by detaching yourself from the outcome for your clients. But my mom was the one that made the more persuasive argument, which was it's better to be emotionally vulnerable and connected with your client so that they feel like they actually have a lawyer that really cares about them and wants to do their best, even if it hurts when you can't get the result that they deserve. If I were involved in a terrible accident, I would want a lawyer that's going to be willing to take their gloves off and fight for me to the bitter end. That's the kind of lawyer that I am for my clients. I'm Matt Boris. I'm a trial lawyer in California, and if you were involved in a personal injury accident, just shoot me a DM.